DH26 Maintenance. We would like to introduce how to do maintenance for DH26. Here is the overview. Totally 3 steps. Step 1. HGB gain setting. When machine alarms HGB blink voltage abnormal, that means its voltage over 4.8 volt or less than 4.2 volt. So we suggest to adjust it to 4.5 volts by click plus or minus. Then do a cleanse soaking and come back here to confirm if it is still 4.5 volt. Step 2. On clock. If clogging is found, or it is suspected that the counting results are not accurate due to aperture clogging, you can perform the unclog operations by click the service icon in the main menu. Then click Maintain. After that, click the icon of unclog to stop it. Step 3. Cleanse soaking. It should be performed if the alarm could not be solved by unclock or sample volume over 100 times per day. Please click the service icon in the main menu. Then click Maintain. After that, click the icon of Cleanse Soaking and feed the Dymind cleanser to proceed. For more information, please refer to the operator manual. Thank you for watching.